Hello everyone. So now I'll tell you some exercises for vertigo. So what happens in vertigo is like a person feels like the world around him is spinning. So what we can do to just cure it. So in the first one you'll sit straight like this, and in the first position is you lie down like this and your face should see the floor. So you'll see the floor like this. Hold it, say it for 15 seconds, come back. The second time same with this direction. So you'll lie down and then you'll see the floor. See the floor. Okay. So then there are some exercises for your eyes. So what you'll do is you'll do the movement of eyes. So first you'll see in this side. So you can use a pen, you can use your finger, it's your choice. So I'm taking this pen and then I can move the pen or I can move my head. So first I'll tell you, I'll move the pen. So this is the pen, then I'll take it in the side, then come back, then to the other side, then come back. When you are moving the pen, keep your head straight, and if you are keeping the pen in place, then move your head. So first I'm moving the pen, so my head will be straight. So this is the thing, this is the pen. After doing sideways, I'll move the pen up. So after doing left and right, up and down, I'll move the sideways. So this is like in this direction. Same in this direction. So this is the pen. This is when you move the pen and you will take the head stable. Now you'll move your head but the pen will be stable. So first you'll keep the pen like this and then you'll rotate your head. First sideways, then up. You'll not keep your eyes off this pen. You'll always see this pen. Okay. So now sideways. So this is. Now the opposite side. You can also make a point and then you can place it like this. You can place it and then see it like this. If you like don't have a pen or this, you can make a point and then keep it in front and see it like this. Up, down, sideways, like this. So these were some exercises for vertigo, that is, in which a person feels like the world around him is spinning. So I hope it will help you. Bye.